I am Father Marcelino Diaz, and I am a Rogationist priest. 56 years old. I've been in the religious life of the Rogationist for 36 years and 27 years of priesthood. And I am the in charge of the community, no, of the Rogationist in Iloilo, commonly known as Rogamina community. We have here the semi-cloistered community. It's not really a totally cloistered. The place is so quiet, is conducive to prayer. We also have a retreat house here. Yung mga tao dito ay open sila sa mission natin in praying for vocations. The place, as I have said, is quiet, and it helps us quiet ourselves. No? Pakiramdam is really a peaceful life, although na we do not say na we are spared from temptations, from the suffering of the world. Yes, we connect ourselves, no, through prayer to the world. Yung focus ng prayer natin hindi lang para sa contemplative life, no. Of course, we need a lot of prayers, no, prayers, a lot of those who would like to dedicate themselves to this way of life, the way of the Rogate, to pray for vocations.
Good day everyone, I am John Clim Ponce Dawela, 26 years old from the province of Zamboanga del Norte in Mindanao. And now in this community, a Rogationist contemplative community, I am the first novice. And I was a diocesan seminarian for 3 years. But after the pandemic, I was not really busy. I was just swiping and looking for some seminary in Facebook, in social media. Then nakita ko ang Rogamina. Nang dahil sa curiosity, so I try to enter and I communicate with Father Mars. Then that's the story, no? Nagpunta, nag-observe, naging aspirant, naging postulant. Ngayon, naging novice.
Ano yung kadalasan na ginagawa niyo dito sa
First and foremost, prayer. Unang bungad mo lang at exactly 3:45 AM, we will do the prayer, the office of the readings. Sunod-sunod na yan, may mga klase, may mga gawaing bahay, house cleaning, and groundworks. Meron din kaming apostolate during Sunday, catechism with the children, mga neighboring children namin dito. At yun lang, no? Ang pinaka-focus namin is yung prayer. We spend our time in prayer. Sa pag-stay ko dito ng almost 3 years, isa lang talaga masabi ko, masaya. Masaya na may kasamang pagod, may mga struggles, pero nakakayanan. Pagpasok ko dito, akala ko seminaryo talaga, no? Ang setting, ang setup is a seminary. But iba, kasi ang buong araw, hindi man ibig sabihin na nauubos sa pagdadasal, pero every hour observe yun ang divine office o ang liturgy of the hours. Mahirap, pero masaya. Kung gusto nyo, you can visit, you can stay, and then you realize na ganyan pala ang buhay. May nagsasabi nga sa akin, ang pamumuhay natin seems like a joyful suffering. Masaya, pero mahirap.
Jesus, remember me when you come.
those who feel the call, no, to dedicate their lives to prayer and contemplation, I would encourage, no, I would encourage the young people really to offer their lives, because the Lord calls everybody, whether you are young or old. He is calling you to become an answer to His command. Pray therefore, the Lord of the harvest.